Purple Mayfire Chop.
Finished the harness.
So we're just putting the acid in.
High and low figured out.
Put a switch.
Chopper stuff. Still bubbling.
Yep.
Really nice. This thing's wired up. Yo, what up, CROOKS Moto crew? Welcome back to the channel. Today we got Isaac and the Chop, the official, what are we calling this thing?
Purple Mayfire Chop, I guess.
The Purple Mayfire Chop. You guys heard it here first. We got the chopper, as you guys saw on the first flow video. We got this thing started and we got oil in it, transmission fluid. We got some wires to run the ignition. But today we're gonna work on getting the official actual battery in it and finish the harness. And maybe, I don't know, we'll see, maybe try to pull this thing out. I don't know.
Might go down the road with no brakes.
It might. It has no brakes. We don't have our brake line set up just yet, but that's coming next. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so first things first, we got to get this battery filled up. Let's see.
So we're just putting the acid in, made this cool little hose funnel, fill it up to where it fill line.
Yep, so get the battery all filled up with acid, and I am starting on the headlight here. I'm gonna get high and low figured out. If we're gonna put a switch, I don't know. What do you think? We can do a switch, we just gotta figure out where we're gonna put it.
Either we keep it on high all the time or we put a switch.
It's really kinda, yeah, if we did a switch,
out.
that would be, somewhere up here would be the best spot, I think, because then you could just kinda.
Maybe to the left to reach it easier, or in the middle, you can reach it right
here. Yeah, somewhere around there.
Yeah.
I think that could work. We're gonna have to put a pretty decent hole though.
Our wiring kit came with that extra switch, right?
Yeah, no, we do have a switch. There's our kit here.
Have a switch right here.
I think it could work.
So that's our size.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it.
All right.
Let's find a drill
Let's do
bit.
it. Chopper stuff. Let's go. All right, so acid's in. Now we gotta wait. So it's in there. It's still bubbling. We just gotta wait for it to get all that air out. All right.
Let it soak.
Well, letting it soak. In the meantime, I got the bracket off that we're gonna drill a hole into.
Let's get a switch.
Let's go. When in doubt, modify your brackets to put a light switch in.
Yep.
Just cause.
Gotta have high and low beam, why not? Yep.
Yeah, buddy. All right. Almost, dude.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah, just a little more. Oh, so close.
Working on choppers again. Putting the switch on for the high beams and low beams.
Nice.
Yeah, the open primary's part of the game. Yep.
All right, CROOKS Moto crew, so we got where we got today.
Got a lot of talking done, a lot of plans.
Got a little bit of like sheathing on the wires. Got our little negative cable. We started sheathing the center section. We also got our little ground wire right here that we mounted right up to the lower triple. We're gonna get the rest of the power knocked out for the headlight.
Headlight switch is in.
Headlight switch. So that's dope. We're gonna get that wired up. But yeah, that's the check-in for today. Next up is pegs.
Yep, more parts coming in a few days.
Pegs and brakes, and finalize the wiring, and then just comb through this thing. Make sure every single bolt, like we've checked. Some rotor bolts. These ones are just too sketchy to run right there. Dude, hopefully here real soon, we're gonna be sending this thing on the road. Yeah, you guys will see this bike out and about if you're local. You'll see it on the channel. Yeah, all sorts of fun chopper summer
Shenanigans.
Yeah. All right, CROOKS Moto crew, another day. We are getting more wires on this bike. Just actually finished our little headlight toggle switch. Got the wires in there. We're gonna kind of clean those up with some zips, and decided not to run the wire out the hole here. Gonna actually just kind of zip tie it so it has a little bit of a hang to it. But worst case, we'll drill that out a little more so the ring terminal can fit. So far so good. Just gonna keep cranking on this, and hopefully we'll get all the wiring completed today, and then we'll be back for another day when we have the rest of the parts. So let's go. What's up, CROOKS Moto crew? So check in. We've sunk some hours into this. Not really all that long, but sunk some time. Just wanted to give you a little status update. So we are working on the finalization of the rear end. We have our brake switch down here. This is like a banjo bolt style. So it's gonna go through your brake line, and then you got the two wires out here, and we're feeding it up on this, your brake rod. Then from there, bringing it back up the back side of this, coming around for the classic little chopper loop. Then we're gonna wire it right up to the tail light. So we also finalized some additional wiring for the headlight switch. Right, so we still got to get all this stuff turned on once the battery's hooked up. We sheathed around the ignition wiring right here. Finalized all the stuff on this side as well. Sheathed it all, got the expandable. Also updated stuff down here. And finalized even the underside of the frame's got some cover. Hopefully everything turns on first try, and we are done with wiring, checked off the list. Literally just waiting on the last couple parts, and this chop is officially done. If you guys have made it this far, you know what to do. Drop a like, say what's up in the comments, and subscribe if you like what we're doing. Lots of build stuff coming. We got a whole nother bike to build right there. You might not be sure what it is. There also is another bike behind there that we will be building too. So some pretty cool stuff coming down the line. Hit crooksmoto.com if you guys are in need of some CROOKS Moto merchandise. We also have some other stuff on there, so take a look through the menus, see what we offer, see what we do, and hit us up. Yeah, gonna get back to wiring the chop and finalizing the rear end, and then at that point we'll test everything, make sure everything still turns on. Let's get back to it. You guys are out there doing your own little chopper harnesses, one of these builder kits, honestly I highly recommend. These Gremlin wiring kits have everything that you need. The wire itself, the ignition switch, all the little ring terminals that you need for hooking up to an ignition, hooking up to a coil or a switch. Man, these Gremlin kits are really, really awesome. I highly recommend too, if you're using it to wire your bike, definitely get yourself some expandable sheathing. Looks really cool. We are almost done. We just got to finish up this section here with some sheathing and finalize some of the rest of our power that's going to the tail light. We've finished. The chopper is wired. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on, see what's good. This harness came together pretty quickly because, well, we already had a couple wires ran. Shout out to Kenny for getting some wiring started. But we have finalized. We got the tank back on. We're starting to put everything back together, coil. But as you can see, we got wires coming up from there. We got them running right here. A little split down right there for the ignition system. We got wires running up to our power switch. So this is actually our on and off switch for the entire bike. So we got wires running up there. We got wires poking through here to run to the battery box. We got our little positive and negative, and some of our other wires running down to the bottom of the frame. Toggle switch. Got high and low. Let's look at the rear section. So tail light we have here. We got some little sheathing over it. We split off with a little ground right here. So we're grounding the tail light off the license plate mount. Our two little power wires here, our run light and our tail light right down the frame. That then tucks behind right there. Splits off to go to power, splits off to go to the actual switch. Everything wired up. Let's give it a quick little flick here. All right, let's see. Okay, headlights off, headlights on. Here's our tail light. We can't really see if the tail light indeed works just yet because this is our brake switch. We don't have a brake line yet. We don't have any hydraulic pressure to trigger that switch open. But so far, this is looking really nice. All right, guys, so it's the end of today. We got our tail light working, we got our headlight working. Everything else should be good. I know our ignition is good because, well, when we turn it off, that green button flashes. And when we turn it on, the red one does. So that should be good to go. This thing's wired up. It was really, really fun to do. I love these little wiring projects on choppers, wiring a harness for a bike. It's just really fun. I enjoy it a lot. Hit me up if you have any questions on wiring a chopper or just wiring a Harley in general. Next up is another day when we're gonna put the rest of the parts on this bike, hopefully pull it off the lift and take it down the road. All right, guys.